am so excited. Today I am doing a collab with my friend Courtney. She is from The Life of Courtney. She does cleaning videos, organizational videos, has lots of great tips on her channel. She's a hustler, love her. So check out her channel and tell her that I sent you. And if you are from Courtney's channel, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning in my main living areas, my dining room, my kitchen, and in my living room. Courtney and I worked together to do a giveaway, and I'm going to give you guys the details of that giveaway near the end of this video so that you can enter to win. And as you can see, I've removed everything from my dining room table. Lately, it's become a catch-all, so I'm going to clean it, and I'm going to just kind of decorate it a little bit for summer, just hopefully to cut out on everybody just kind of putting things on the table. About once a week, I like to take everything off my cabinets and clean everything down just to get rid of any dust or buildup or anything like that. So that is what I am doing here. If you are new to my channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button so that we can connect. I just have made so many wonderful friends throughout my YouTube journey.
Everything to me. Can we get out?
couple of months ago, I added these pillows to my kitchen, and I'm just loving the coziness that it's bringing to the area. And you guys know that I used to keep fresh flowers on my table, and it was just getting to the point that I was forgetting to change them, and they were just making a mess on the table. So I have some fake flowers for now, and I will probably go back to adding some fresh flowers soon when the busy days of summer are over. I am using my favorite multi-purpose cleaner, which is Mrs. Meyer's, and I love the mint scent. It is by far my favorite spring summer scent from Mrs. Meyer's. After I finish wiping down my kitchen table and the things on my kitchen table, I'm going to wipe down my stainless steel appliances. And on the dishwasher, you will notice that there's a little magnetic sign, and it actually says clean and dirty. And it is a family saver because you know how sometimes different people do the dishes, so you kind of know when they're clean or when they're dirty. Now I am in the living room, and I am picking up the mess that the dogs have created, and I know the pillows are everywhere, and I should probably send my dogs to obedience school because I have to pick up my pillows like multiple times a day, but I love them, so it is what it is.
But something changed and so did we. Now I can't set aside, I can't just be and let be. Oh no, no, no. Out of love and now it's plain to see. It's not that I don't love you anymore. I can love you like before. No, no, no. Should have made it clear a long, long time
So I finally gave up and I had to put the dogs outside. If you notice, Lily, she like carries a ball around with her all of the time. So I was cleaning and playing fetch with her. So I was multitasking like a pro because I'm just used to it with her. I am using my rainbow vacuum to vacuum the floors, and I vacuumed the pillows with it as well. I love it for deep cleaning, but it is just a hassle for everyday use. And I would just love to have like a more lightweight vacuum just to use on a daily basis. So I do that. And then after that, I take my O-Cedar, could not remember the name of it. I take my O-Cedar mop, which you can get at like Walmart. I think it's like $20, and it is so awesome and is by far my favorite mop. And I get the water as hot as I can get it to mop.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, singing on to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild. Let's just roll away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Be with you is like being at the rodeo house. Brings out the wild. We got a little crush on you.
Okay, so my friend Courtney and I have decided to do a giveaway. We each purchased a $20 gift card from Target. So to enter to win, all you have to do is like my video, like her video, subscribe to both of our channels, and you will be entered in a chance to win a $20 gift card from Target. And you could actually, if it was the same person, you could win a total of a $40 gift card, if that makes any sense. I think it does. Anyway, enter to win. So like, subscribe, and good luck. And can't wait to give this away. And thank you so much, Courtney, for working with me. You are such a sweet, nice, caring, wonderful person. And remember, everyone, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one.